The Progress Center was started about 2 years ago by the Fairfax County Department of Housing and Community Development. And the goal of the Progress Center is to provide services to our residents. That's those that are living in our public housing, those that are housing choice voucher recipients, those that live in our rental program, and to connect them with services in Fairfax County. Some may be dealing with crisis, some may just need an extra boost, others may need employment opportunities, and the purpose of the Progress Center is to help other staff at the Department of Housing connect these individuals with resources to help them become self-sufficient. We built a garden for the residents so that they could grow vegetables and have a sense of community and have it look nice with flowers, get the kids involved. You know, sometimes we just need to give them that extra hand to get to the right services in the county.